Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to buy from eBay Philippines. So let's get started. First of all, make sure you type ebay.ph and hit enter. You'll be redirected to this page. Make sure to make an account if you already don't have one. After that, select account settings, top left corner. This is the dashboard for the information you need to know. Make sure you fill your personal information with your correct credentials as well as your address. Make sure to edit your correct addresses in order to ship to the right address. So after that, in order to purchase, go to my eBay top right corner, go to payments, make sure to add the card in order to pay for the order, set it for checkout or auctions as you like. After that, make sure to add your credit or debit card. Philippines also use PayPal. I'm using the eBay USA, so Venmo is not available, but you can still use PayPal and debit or credit card. After that, select continue and make sure to fill it with your right information, and that's it. You just need to find a product and you can just purchase it. If you find this video is helpful, make sure to like and subscribe, and see you on the next one.